Hi, my name's Simon Cohen. I'm here at the Condeco booth at ISE in Amsterdam. I'm going to be showing now one of our products, which is our market-leading room booking system integrated with a visitor management solution and automated and self-service check-in. So we're going to start over here on our web application. Well, I'm very quickly going to show you how we book rooms in Condeco. We can see here that I've got my title of my meeting, the rAVe demo, and I've got myself as the requester and the host. I can add on here if I want to some catering and some equipment and services that I might want to be delivered to the meeting. And most importantly here, and what we want to show today, is how we can link up with the visitor management experience with the visitors that are coming to this meeting. So here's my visitor that's coming in, and Mr. Griffin. I'm going to hit book and close, and what happens next is that visitor that's coming into the building will get an email with that invitation, but also a QR code. When he arrives in the building, he'll step over to this unit over here, which is a product called vGreet from a company called vPod, which is integrated with Condeco and also integrated with a visitor management product called ProxyClick. These are both our integrated partners. As we can see here, I have the invitation that's come in from Condeco with the meeting with Simon Cohen, and if I scroll down, I can see the QR code that I'm going to use to check in when I arrive in the building. So I walk up to here and just touch the screen. The vGreet does a range of functionality, but in particular I'm going to do the check-in feature, which activates the QR scanner just here on the right. I'm going to scan that. It recognises that and who I am and who I'm here to see and what the meeting is for. I'm going to hit check-in, and I've got a pass there. It can also take a photograph, and it's giving me wayfinding to the meeting so I know where I need to go. I can also, if I want to, send that map down to my mobile phone, so if I'm going around a building, around a campus, I can easily get to where I need to get to. That's it. That's our integrated experience for visitor management with Condeco and ProxyClick and vPod. And if you want to know more, come and see us on our website, www.condecosoftware.com.